Good morning. Today we learned exercise 3.1. Question number first. Question number first is Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. For representing this situation, first we represent algebraically and then we represent graphically. For representing algebraically, let present age of Aftab is X year and his daughter age is Y year. Now, according to question, Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. इसमें 7 साल पहले की बात की गई, 7 years पहले की बात की जा रही है, तो इसके लिए हमें उन दोनों की 7 years पहले की एज फाइंड करना होगा. Therefore 7 years ago आफ्ताब एज इज present age minus 7. Therefore 7 years ago आफ्ताब age is x minus 7 and his daughter age is y minus 7. Now according to question, "7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then." That means Aftab age is 7 times of his daughter age. Therefore x minus 7 is equal to 7 times of y minus 7. X minus 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by 7y and 7 multiplied minus 7 minus 49. X minus 7 minus 7y is equal to minus 49. X minus 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7. X minus 7y is equal to minus 42. This is the first equation. Now according to question, also 3 years from now, आज से 3 साल बाद, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. इसके लिए हमें आज से 3 साल बाद की उन दोनों की एज फाइंड करना होगा. Therefore 3 years from now, Aftab age is present age plus 3. 3 years from now Aftab age is x plus 3 and his daughter is y plus 3. According to question is 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. That means 3 years पहले जो आफ्ताब की एज थी वो उस टाइम पर उसकी डॉटर की एज का 3 टाइम्स थी. That means 3 years from now x plus 3 is equal to 3 times of y plus 3. X plus 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3y and 3 multiplied 3 plus 9. X minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 9. X minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3. X minus 3y is equal to 6. This is the second equation. Algebraic representation is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42 and x minus 3y is equal to 6. This is the algebraic representation. For graphical representation, first we find at least 3 solutions of these equation. First we find 3 solution of first equation. Therefore from equation first, x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. We solve this equation for x. x is equal to minus 42 plus 7y. By putting the value of y, we get value of x. First we put y equal to 6. Put y equal to 6. Then x is equal to minus 42 plus 7 multiply 6 minus 42 plus 7 multiply 6 42. Therefore x is equal to 0. By putting y equal to 6, we get x is equal to 0. For y equal to 6, we get 0. Now put y equal to 7. X is equal to minus 42 plus 7 multiply 7. X is equal to minus 42. 7 multiply 7, 49. Minus 42 plus 49, we get x is equal to 7. By putting y equal to 7, we get 7. For y equal to 7, we get 7. Now put y equal to 8. X is equal to minus 42 plus 7 multiply 8. X is equal to minus 42 plus 56. Minus 42 plus 56, we get 14. For y is equal to 8, x is equal to 14. For y is equal to 8, x is equal to 14. These are the solution of first equation. Similarly, we find the solution of second equation. Therefore, from equation second is x minus 3y is equal to 6. We solve this equation for x. X is equal to 6 plus 3y. By putting the value of y, we get value of x. Let put y is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 6 plus 3 multiply 0. X is equal to 6. X and y. For y equal to 0, we get x is equal to 6. And put y equal to minus 1. X is equal to 6 plus 3 multiply minus 1. X is equal to 6 minus 3 and x is equal to 3. For x is equal to for y is equal to minus 1, we get x is equal to 3. And put y is equal to 1. X is equal to 6 plus 3 multiply 1. X is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. For y is equal to 1, we get x is equal to 9. This is minus 1. Now for this solution, we represent for this